time is more valuable than money. Because money can be replaced, time cannot. This is Money Mechanics. Today we're breaking down why time is the most valuable asset you'll ever have, and why most people spend it like it's unlimited. Most people treat money as their most valuable resource. They optimize it, they budget it, save it, invest it, but they rarely think about time the same way, and that's the mistake, because money is renewable. You can lose money and earn it back. You can rebuild savings, start another business, make another investment. But time works differently. Once it's spent, it's gone. There are no refunds, no resets, no way to recover it. And yet, most financial decisions are actually decisions about time. When you buy something, you're not just spending money, you're spending the time it took to earn that money. When you take on debt, you're often committing future time to paying it back. When you build a career, start a business, or invest in an asset, you're allocating years of your life. That's why wealth isn't just about money, it's about control over time. The more financial pressure you have, the less control you have over your own life, because your time becomes obligated to bills, to debt, to maintaining your position. That's why wealthy people often optimize for time first. They build systems, acquire assets, create leverage, not just to make more money, but to buy back their time, because time freedom is the ultimate form of wealth. Most people think money creates freedom, but money by itself doesn't. Control does, and control comes from reducing dependency on constantly trading time for income. That's why two people with the same amount of money can have completely different lives. One owns their time, the other rents it out, because the real cost of anything isn't dollars, it's life. The hours, the years, the opportunities you can never recover. That's the part most people never calculate. Money can be replaced, time cannot. And the ultimate goal of wealth isn't accumulating more money, it's reclaiming more of your life. If you want to understand how money, ownership and leverage change the way you spend your time, subscribe. Next, we break down why rich people buy assets first, and why that decision compounds for decades. This is Money Mechanics.